Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a spinning reel. First, let's get your reel onto the rod. Slide the reel foot into the reel seat on your fishing rod. Make sure it's seated all the way down. Then, simply tighten the locking nut until the reel is snug and secure. You want it to be firm, but don't over-tighten it. A properly attached reel is the foundation for a great fishing experience, ensuring stability and control. Now let's get that line on the reel. Open the bail arm and thread your line through all the rod guides, starting from the tip. Tie an arbor knot to the reel spool, making sure it's tight. Close the bail, and with a bit of tension on the line, start reeling. Fill the spool to about 1/8 of an inch from the lip, which is roughly 3 millimeters. This prevents tangles and ensures smooth casting. Next, we'll set the drag, a crucial step for fighting fish. The drag knob is typically on top of the spool. Turn it clockwise to increase tension and counterclockwise to decrease it. A good rule of thumb is to set your drag to about 1/3 of your line's breaking strength. For example, with a 15-pound test line, set the drag to 5 pounds. This allows the line to pay out under pressure, preventing breaks. Before you cast, let's do a quick final check. Double-check all your knots to ensure they are secure. Make sure the line is spooled evenly across the reel without any loose loops or tangles. Test the bail arm to confirm it opens and closes smoothly. Finally, give the reel a gentle tug to ensure it's still firmly attached to the rod. You're now ready to hit the water and enjoy your fishing adventure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.